You came across smoother than whiskey over ice. Should've seen sooner through the disguise. You're feeling no shame as I'm cursing your name in the bottom of the glass. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. Now that I'm sober, I see that you ain't that fine. Now that it's over, I'm taking back what was mine. I'm done sipping lies, I've severed the ties and cut that monkey loose. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. I need a chaser. I'm done with the rocks, I'm done with the shots. It's time to shake things up. 'Cause a boy like you close your heart ain't gonna do it. I'm blowing my heart over. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best for myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. After you. I need a chaser after you.
This dance is called Chasing Shots, choreographed by Maddison and Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. This one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, slightly into your right diagonal, side, cross, side rock, recover, flick your right foot back, cross, side, 1/8 into your right to 130, back, sweep your left, back, sweep your right, make a 1/8 into your right, back, touch, bending knees, facing 3, forward, together, quarter into your left, cross. Section 2, step right foot to the side, as you make a 3/4 into your left, forward, facing 3, step forward, pivot half turn to your left, sweep your right, facing 9, cross, side. 1/8 into your right, rock back, facing 10-30, forward, 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 hit your right foot, make a 1/8 into your left side. Now you're facing 9 o'clock. Section 3, side, cross, side, point to the right diagonal, side, cross, side, point to the left diagonal. Now you're facing 7:30. Hip sways, bending knees, left, right, forward, hit your right foot, full turn to your left, half turn left, back, half turn left, forward, still facing 7:30. Last section, 1/8 into your left, square up to 6, side, cross, side, together, slow syncopated weave to your left, cross, side behind, side cross, side behind, hit your left into figure 4, behind, side cross. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and In this dance, there's a restart on word 2. You will dance 24 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you word 2 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.